In the currency quadrant, the euro fell for a fourth straight session today, hitting the lowest level in a week and again dropping below 105. The high today, 105.41 half, that was only up 12 basis points or a little bit more than a tenth of 1%. And the low today, 104.82, was down almost a half of 1%. Through the New York cash close, the euro future is still down about a third of 1% and still below that 105 mark. Over these last four sessions, the euro has dropped 0.94%, but if you measure it from the December 6th high, it's dropped 1.33%. Now, we do have an ECB meeting tomorrow, and in that rate decision, they're expected to cut rates by 25 basis points. They're also expected to describe an easier path or a path of lower rates in the future. Now, depending on how aggressively Christine Lagarde, the head of the ECB, describes that monetary policy looseness, for lack of a better word, it could mean more downside in the short to medium term for the euro because there's rate uncertainty in the US. And obviously the euro-US dollar, largest traded pair within the FX quadrant. Now, we did go from an 86% chance yesterday of the Fed hiking rates by 25 basis points next week to a 98% chance today, according to the CME Fed Watch tool. But it's the future path of the US Federal Reserve that is in question, with potential tariffs coming and the potential inflationary effect. Of course, that's not proven as of this point, but there's a lot of talk about it. Also, tax cuts that are potentially going to happen with the new administration. The Fed can't act on any of this, but they can start to signal a sort of wait and see attitude, which would likely mean a stronger dollar and more pressure on the euro along with other currencies. We have to wait and see if that's the case, but that's the rate uncertainty I'm talking about. We have a little bit of certainty with the ECB, less certainty with the US Fed.